Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming Face ID and a secure passcode are active. This prevents lockouts later. Once done, make sure your device runs the newest OS so compatibility is solid. Next, open the app or launcher settings and locate the Hide or App Lock feature. If it's an app, grant required permissions. Begin the hide flow by selecting the target apps, then choose Face ID only as the authentication method. This ensures only your biometric unlocks the hidden apps. Now configure the Face ID-only lock for each hidden app. Tap Authentication Preferences and explicitly choose Face ID. Once set, disable any passcode fallback or quick access tiles that could bypass biometrics. Adjust Auto Lock and Timeout to a short interval so apps relock quickly after use. Once configurations are applied, test repeatedly. Lock the app, attempt access with your face, and try alternate access methods to confirm denial. These steps prevent accidental exposure and show why Face ID only is more private. To finish, verify persistence across reboots and updates. Restart your device and try accessing hidden apps. Face ID should unlock them without prompting passcode. Once confirmed, review trusted devices, shared accounts, and disable any remote unlock services that could expose apps. If Face ID ever fails, don't panic. Reset the Face ID enrollment, then reapply the Face ID-only setting for the hidden apps. One key troubleshooting tip. If unlocks fail,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.